Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 1F baking sales. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Excel 1F baking sales. Here is a project description. Here is a workbook. The project description is: in the following project, you will create a worksheet summarizing the sales of baking products that the SF Pantry is marketing. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: open the file student Excel 1F baking sales, download with this project. In this question, you will have to download this file from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file. Now we'll move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: merge and center the title and then the subtitle across column A to F and apply the title and heading 1 cell styles respectively. Move to the workbook. In this cell, you will have to type merge and center, apply merge and center, then apply the heading 1 style, merge and center, then also apply the heading 1 cell styles respectively. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is: make cell A1 the active cell and then check spelling in your worksheet. Correct the spelling. Select column A and then set the column width to 24. Select column E and set the column width to 12. You will have to correct these spellings. The incorrect spelling keyword are now mentioned in this question. Gluten to gluten. In the review tab, click on the spelling tab. Check this, press OK, and the column width to 24, and select column B and set the column width to 12. In column A, you will have to set the width. Now you will have to set the column width to 24 and select this column and column width to 12. I have already set column width of column A to 24. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is: in cell E4, construct a formula to calculate the total sales of the blueberry muffin mix by multiplying the quantity sold times the retail price. Copy the formula down for the remaining products. In this question, you will have to calculate the total sales of the blueberry muffin mix and then multiplying by the quantity total sales. You will have to write a function equals to C4 multiplied by the retail price. The total sales are calculated now. And then copy the formula down to the range. Write this formula down to the range. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is select the range E4 to E10 and then use the quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all products, which will be formatted in bold, to the total in cell E11. Apply the total cell style. Mac user, instead of the quick analysis tool, use the sum button to complete the step as specified. Apply bold. In this question, you will have to use the quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all the products. First, you will have to select the range. Select this range and totals. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is using absolute cell references as necessary so that you can copy the formula in cell F4. Construct a formula to calculate the percentage of the total sales for the first product. Copy the formula down to the remaining products. In this cell, you will have to use the absolute cell reference. You will have to calculate the percentage of total sales equals to E4. E4 are representing total sales divided by E10, the total sales. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. You will have to divide by the total sales. Drag this formula down to the last of the range. The total percentage of the sales are calculated now. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is in this question you will have to apply the percentage and the decimal places to 2 and then center the percentages. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is apply the comma style with no decimal places to the quantity sold figure to sell this. Okay, and E11 apply the accounting number format to cell D4, E4 and E11 and apply the accounting number format. In this question you will have to apply the comma format on the quantity column. This one is quantity column. Apply, select this range, apply a comma number format with 0 decimal places, and then apply the accounting number format and E11. D4, E4 and E11 will have to apply the accounting number format. Move to the instruction file. Question number 8 are completed. We have now completed 8 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses like MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Access, MyLab Word, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.